How to report a lost or stolen Truist card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Truist card and think it's been stolen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to report it quickly using the Truist website. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to find and select cards and there you simply have to click the option labeled report lost or stolen card and after that you simply have to fill out all the necessary details about your card and confirm your report. And once you do that, Twist will deactivate your lost or stolen card and guide you through ordering a replacement. And that's it. Reporting a lost or stolen Twist card is quick and secure. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.